eradicate areas of breeding will be very, very tough. It's going to be tough. See, in a walkabout, last week when I went around to this Mentari court, there was just an area of irregularity in a floor. You know, there's a cement loss or something like that. And there's a pool of water there, and we took a sample of water there, and we saw so many larvae there. So it's such a difficult thing. So for us to see whether we can 100% ensure that there will be no site of mosquito breeding, I think that is something which is going to be tough. But if we all work together, we can definitely reduce the number of places available. You know, we can definitely reduce. But the public per se should realize that the reduction of breeding sites is an important component of dengue control. They all think that fogging and the government is the main person responsible for dengue control, which is a wrong perception. You see, they must feel that if everybody feels that, look here, if I can contribute towards reducing the breeding ground and everybody works along, I think to a great extent we can reduce the number of breeding grounds. So that is one part. I mean, that is, and that we require the assistance of everybody, particularly the local government. The local government has got a very strong responsibility. You know, when I said that we want the local governments to be very proactive, they also should take it as seriously as we do, you know, and come proactively and try to do what they have to do in the control of this problem. And what you say is very true. The numbers are so alarming. Every week 2,000 cases. I think then this year alone how many have we got so far?
11,000.
11,000 cases since January. And it's flooding our health system. You know, you go to every hospital. So the dengue cases are a major bulk in the major urban hospitals. Because we are trying to see how we can manage them better. We have opened our clinics in all these urban areas till about 10 o'clock at night. And the clinics will screen them because we don't want these people to go to the A&E. So the doctors will check and advise these guys. So those who can be managed at home, say you manage at home. And then those we think that have to be hospitalized, all of them will undergo the blood test. So we are putting it to mechanisms, see how we can actually combat this. There are many reasons for this, why this surge is not only Malaysian, it's a global endemic at this point in time. All countries in our region are facing the same problem which we are facing. One is, of course, climatic conditions, which are very contributory. Number two, the serotype of the virus which we see. Now nearly half the cases which we see actually come from a serotype 2, whereas previously it was more serotype 4, isn't it? 1 and 3, which were the bulk of it. Yes. And this 2 we suspect is more virulent than the others. So that could be one reason why the spread is higher, and the disease pattern also is much more dangerous, leading to higher mortality. And short of a vaccine, which of course everybody is working on, which can be coming to take care of all, and an antiviral treatment which can actually kill the virus, which we don't have. So this disease management is still control, early detection, and then treatment to the disease process if at all a person has got it. Failure implies a system which didn't do anything, which is not fair. That is not true. So the system is doing everything possible, but you will only be able to see, if we didn't do anything, how bad it would have been, which is impossible for you to know, right? Yeah. If we had not done anything, how bad it would have been. So what you are seeing is the results of what we have done. So of course, in that sense, we have done a lot, but to be fair, I think there is a need for all agencies and all parties to work together. Everybody should understand the urgency of this, and everybody should be able to work towards controlling it. So the correct message should be, the control of dengue cannot be achieved by the government alone. It can only be achieved through the cooperation of all agencies, everybody. Then only it can be done. The government alone will not succeed in this process. Government alone won't succeed in this process.